Over 100,000 bright but needy students from Nairobi County have a reason to smile after the county government committed a whole 1.025 billion shillings to bursaries and scholarships. The Nairobi County 2023 bursaries program will see over 27,000 students blessed on the governor's executive scholarship, catering for their entire high school education. Meanwhile, Nairobi Governor Johnson Sakaja says his government has set aside a special budget for construction and improvement of infrastructure in public primary schools in the county. Shadrach Miti with that story.
Amidst reports of thousands of bright but needy children failing to join Form 1 due to lack of school fees, parents and guardians of over 100,000 students from Nairobi County admitted in national, extra-county and county schools across the country have a reason to smile after the county government of Nairobi committed a whopping 1.025 billion shillings towards their education. The bursaries have been divided into two, which will see about 80,000 have their school fees for the whole year paid in full, while another group comprising of over 27,000 students placed on the governor's executive scholarship will have their entire high school education taken care of.
More scholarships totaling to 515 million will be awarded to needy and bright students from Nairobi public primary schools admitted to national, extra-county and county boarding secondary schools across the country.
But the bursaries did not come without the governor's warning.
Hiyo bursary ni ya maskini ambao hawajiwezi. Usipatie mtoto wako bursary kama uko na kazi. Ng'ang'ana. Kuna wengi ambao hawana hata nafasi ya chakula, watoto wao hata hawana nafasi ya kwenda shule, wacha hao ndio wapate nafasi.
Then there was another big announcement on school feeding program, with all public primary school going children in Nairobi County set to have their first meal courtesy of the county government in September at the start of a third term.
Between now and the end of June, we are building 10 central kitchens in Nairobi. The county assembly passed the budget. We are now tendering. Each of those kitchens is going to serve 15 schools to make sure that our children every day will get a nutritious meal, 650 grams of delicious food every day in Nairobi.
Meanwhile, in what looks like a very bold move, the county government of Nairobi has announced an ambitious plan to have all public primary schools in the county get a facelift, which will include construction of new classrooms besides improving the existing infrastructure.
Nairobi is different from other counties because in as much as primary school education is a national government function, the primary schools actually are property of Nairobi County government. And because of that, we must work together on infrastructure. We must work together to make sure that our children are fed.
Except for ECDE, which is devolved, the entire basic education is managed by the national government, and the announcement by Nairobi governor could be viewed as a bold one, and which plays well into President William Ruto's plan of reaching out to county governments with a view to have them assist in the construction of classrooms and laboratories for a smooth implementation of junior secondary. Shadrach Miti, KTN News.